everyone, welcome to India Energy Week 2025 and we are here at the stall of Graham India. And let's start the conversation with Amit Anturkar, Country Director of Graham Engineering. Hello sir.
Hello.
Sir, could you let me know about yourself?
So yeah, I'm Amit Anturkar, Country Director Graham India. More than 2 decades of experience, having experience in oil and gas, petrochemical, refinery, power industry. Leading teams into various forte, and this is how I'm taking now Graham India to the next level. Thank you.
Sir, what are your key priorities as a Country Director of Graham Engineering?
So my key priorities as a Country Director in Graham Engineering, one is strengthen our market presence, drive operational efficiencies. Secondly, our main focus for long term is also initiative of Make in India, making sure we have manufacturing hub in India, will support in India as well as globally.
When it comes to market expansion, when it comes to business growth, what strategies, what planning are you adopting?
So our key focus will be we are a customer-centric approach. We'll strengthen our customer relationship. We'll also have tie-ups with key stakeholders. We'll also plan a setup which will support not only India but globally. This will help. Plus we have a lot of innovative solutions like next-gen nozzles where we can steam saving almost 5 to 10%, which will also support as a carbon neutral net zero 2040. This is also one of the support to be sustainable for the future.
As challenge is obvious, as problems is a part of life, what challenges do you foresee in the Indian market and how do you address them?
So major challenges, the first challenge will always come is the competition. First of all, we don't treat them as a competitors. We want to leverage our innovation. We should also make sure when we are having innovative and cutting edge solutions, we will make sure our products are up ahead. We wanted to make sure we sell the products not only in terms of what products we have, we'll also make a customized products which will create value for the customers. So in that we'll want to differentiate us as well as the competitors. Secondly, we will also make sure like the partnership and strategic tie-ups where there is an infrastructure issues. So we can tie up with the logistic vendors as well as where there are issues we can try to support in totality as end-to-end solutions with the customers. Another perspective is the legalities and the documentation. We are ahead of the trend. Plus, we'll also have tie-ups with the legal consultants, which will give us know-how and upfront information, which will support the team.
As customers are like a god, would you like to convey any message to your customers?
We believe customers are partners. We want to create value for them. We want to ensure our customers are successful and they're part of their journey to make them successful. We will grow together and we'll ensure as a sustainable future, and then we'll also utilize and Make in India concept for the long term, which will not only support the India customers, but will also support globally from India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.